Getting a major development coming in from the Supreme Court in Delhi. This is regarding Arvind Kejriwal and the possibility of him getting an interim bail. Now, today there was a hearing in the Supreme Court, and what has happened in that hearing? The court has said that ED must provide a list of conditions that are required to be fulfilled by Arvind Kejriwal in order for him to be granted an interim bail. The next hearing is going to take place on the 7th of May, which is also the day when third phase of polling will take place. Harish now joins me for more. Harish, give us more details of what did the court say today and how it could be a ray of hope for Arvind Kejriwal.
Yes, that's right, Priya. Big development as far as the petition filed in the Supreme Court by Kejriwal challenging his arrest and subsequent remand is concerned. As the hearing was lingering on, the Supreme Court bench has decided to take up the plea filed by Kejriwal seeking permission for campaigning. In fact, saying that adjourning the matter to Tuesday, that is May 7th, Justice Sanjeev Khanna has said that on that day, we will take up the plea for interim bail for campaigning put forward by Kejriwal's lawyer Abhishek Mani Singhvi, and said that on that day the ED has to list the conditions which can be put forward in case the Supreme Court is granting interim bail to Kejriwal. And in fact, the Supreme Court has said that on Tuesday we will be taking up this interim bail plea as in view of the elections, and Kejriwal had twice sought permission for campaigning, saying that his arrest was motivated and it strikes at the root of tenet of democracy, saying that it's based on fair polls, and also he being the head of the Aam Aadmi Party, he should be given permission to campaign. He has all along been arguing that his arrest is motivated just to disable him from campaigning for the Lok Sabha elections, and look at the timing of the arrest just before the elections. But the ED had been countering that. ED in fact had cited the High Court's observation, saying that even the High Court had said that ED cannot be blamed for choosing the time of arrest because 9 summons were sent to him and over the past 6 months, and he chose not to cooperate, and that is why they had to arrest him. But on Tuesday, very big day, because Supreme Court will be considering Kejriwal's plea for interim bail, interim release from the Tihar jail, so that he can campaign for the elections. The other issue that will also be on the table of the Supreme Court on Tuesday when it sits to hear this case is whether or not Arvind Kejriwal can sign official files from behind bars.